Now, your local Weather Authority forecast.
Another mild morning across the region. A live look at the Tall City. Still dark out there. The sun is going to rise right around 6:45. And again, mostly clear skies right now, but as that sun rises, those temperatures will once again soar into the 90s and triple digits. Fire weather potentially for today, but cooler weather is on its way with still fire weather chances lingering into the weekend until we could be seeing higher chances of rainfall early next week. Now, this water vapor imagery in these tan colors indicates dry air filtrating in from the southwest all the way to the north and east. This is in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but we do see some blue colors off to the north and west. That's the cold front coming through. More upper level moisture, but at the surface, still dry conditions, so it's not going to be producing any rainfall. With this upcoming cold front that will be coming through. Now, just how dry have we been? We have the worst form of drought in the northern basin and the southern basin. And these darker reds, that's exceptional drought. And we combine the strong winds with the dry conditions and the very warm conditions. That's how we get fire weather. A fire weather warning in effect till 9 p.m. local time for the entire Permian Basin, folks. For critical to extreme fire weather conditions, any fires that do ignite may spread rapidly because of those strong winds and the low relative humidity and again the very dry conditions we're still seeing in the atmosphere. Pretty light winds right now, but they're going to be picking up, especially in the northern and western basin where there is a high wind watch. In effect, winds gusting more than 40 to 50 miles per hour there today, 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts elsewhere. Southerly and westerly winds sustained around 15 to 25 miles per hour. Temperatures starting off in the 60s and 70s this morning. Breezy conditions for the first half of the day, and even as we head into the afternoon, high temperature in the Tall City, 99 degrees, mostly sunny skies. So again, another very warm day across the region. Make sure you guys hydrate out there as the very warm conditions continue even into this evening. Tracking those temperatures, again, 60s and 70s to start, warming up at the 90s and triple digits for many, upper 80s in the higher elevations. But take a look at this. Cooler weather from the Panhandle, cooling down things just north of our viewing area. 60s and 70s in our viewing area, but 50s and 60s in Lubbock and Amarillo for tonight. I think temperatures will dip into the 60s in the Midland and Odessa area. Low temperature 66 degrees, mostly clear skies, and those winds from the west-southwest at 15 to 20 miles per hour, and winds gusting more than 40 miles per hour later tonight when that cold front comes through. With that, again, mostly clear skies for most of the day. But here's our cold front with some clouds on the increase tomorrow morning. Not going to be producing any rainfall, but it will be bringing in much cooler weather. Temperatures tomorrow primarily in the 70s and 80s, 86 degrees in the Tall City, 70 on Sunday with even more clouds in the increase. Dry for most of the weekend, but more humid conditions later in the weekend. That's going to spark up some storms eventually early next week. But before then, we have to watch out for the fire weather, the cooler air, the more clouds in the increase later this weekend, and then strong to severe storms, especially as we head into Monday and Tuesday.